Guard demands quick release of their salaries pending since March 2019. Delhi Police hold awareness program on COVID-19. Rations distributed to families in containment zones. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Jillian Sipi with the latest news for today. And now the news in detail. Amidst daily increase of COVID-19 cases in the state, Assam is getting some reason to remain positive, as 188 more patients were successfully treated and discharged from various hospitals across the state. With Tuesday's count included, Assam has been able to send home 2,393 patients so far. These patients were sent home after the results of their multiple tests come negative. At the time of filing this report, Assam had recorded a total of 4,319 positive cases, out of which 1,915 are active. This indicates that the recovery percentage is now higher than the portion remaining active cases. Assam is also advancing in the field of testing, as it has 11 labs that include 7 medical colleges, and so far 2,27,109 tests been performed in the state. Meanwhile, India has now become the fourth most affected nation by coronavirus, with a total tally of positive cases crossing past 3,44,000. Number of deaths across the country is also nearing 10,000. However, the Union Health Ministry is still confident that India has not yet entered the stage of community transmission. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live. Distress on not getting salary for the last 9 months, the Home Guard personnel posted in Divisional Forest Officer Silviculture Division have demanded release of their salary from the authority. Secretary of the All Assam Trained Home Guard Association Karbi Anglong branch, Arun Bora, says that they have not been paid of their salary since March 2019. Due to this, they are immensely suffering and finding very difficult to look after their family, affecting on the performance of their duties. Bora also said that they approached concerned DFO Nandoram Teron several times in the past, but their pleas were never heard by citing various reasons.
আমাৰ এতিয়া মানে আমি হোমগাৰ্ডৰ মানুহ আমি পানবাৰী চিলভিকালচাৰ থাকোঁ। আমাৰ যোৱা জুন মাহৰ দৰমহা নাই। বৰ্তমান জুনৰ পৰা ফেব্ৰুৱাৰীলৈকে নমাহত আমাৰ দৰমহা পেণ্ডিং হৈ আছে। আমি তাৰ কাৰণে আমি ডিএফও ছাৰক বহুতবাৰ লগ কৰিছোঁ। ডিএফও ছাৰে কয় মই কাম কৰা মানুহ নহয়, মোক সেই কাগজ আছে লৈ আনা, মই চহী কৰি দিম। বৰবাবু জানে বৰবাবু যোৱা, বৰবাবু ক'লে কয় আমাৰ ফাণ্ড নাই। তাৰ কাৰণে আমি চিচিএফ ছাৰৰ তাতো গ'লোঁ। চিচিএফ ছাৰক আমি জনালোঁ। চিচিএফ ছাৰে কৈছে হ'ব মই কাম কৰি আছোঁ, তোমালোকে যদি গৈ বহি থাকা। আমি বহি আছোঁ, এতিয়া একো নহয়। আৰু আমাৰ দৰমহাটো এনে 10,500 হয়, এতিয়া দি আছে আমাৰ 9,000 টকা, 1500 টকা আমাক কমাই দি আছে।
Moreover, Bora told the reporters that they received ₹10,500 during their initial stage, but the department now pays them just ₹9,000 per month. When asked the reason for deduction of their pay, the office accountant told them that ₹1,500 was deducted as processing fee. Though media has not approached concerned officials to clarify on the processing fee deduction, but it is certain that these home guards are going through extremely tough times, and especially during this period of crisis. Following this, home guards have demanded for immediate release of their pending salary from the concerned authority. In addition to this, home guards told that a memorandum addressed to the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Principal Secretary in demand for immediate release of pending salary have also been submitted. Bikram Kaur reporting from Dipu, Karbi Anglong Live. Let's take a quick commercial break. Stay with us for more news.
MS Punctual Stationery. Just step in once and feel the difference. MS Punctual Stationery at Rongkhelan, Dipu Manjar Road, near Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Dipu, Karbi Anglong, where you will get all things available like groceries, beverages, and personal care items. Here you will also get necessary household items like electrical items, gift items, mixer grinder, table fan, ceiling fan, rice cooker, and many more. Shop to the fullest and get 5% discount on stationery items and 10% discount on household items.
Welcome back to Karbi Anglong Live. With the aim of preventing the spread of the pandemic COVID-19 in the interior areas of Karbi Anglong, the Dilay Police organized an awareness program at Dilay Police Station on Tuesday. The awareness program has been carried out as part of its effort to help the administration to step up preventive measures in view of the increase of COVID-19 patients following the arrival of returnees from several states of India. The awareness program was chaired by Thana Committee President Joy Singh Timung, and introduction of guests was led by Dilay OC Ranjit Hajarika. Notable guests present during the program included SDPO Bokajan John Kalita, CI Bhupen Kalita, VDP Presidents and Secretaries, and several GBs, KSA Bokajan Regional Committee Secretary Nobin Rongpi, Dilay KSA President and Secretary. During his address, SDPO John Kalita made fervent appeal upon village headmen, VDP and students' body for their cooperation towards the police and administration. The SDPO has sought the support from local area for manpower and active vigilance in the quarantine center for safety and security of their respective villages and areas. He also urged upon the people to adopt strict preventive measures while stressing the prevention is the best medicine, urging area leaders and chiefs to put all their effort in order to avoid community spread situation. It may be mentioned that Soil Conservation IB, Dilay Higher Secondary School, Mirjang High School HDP, and HDP English High School in the area has been selected for the quarantine center. Bijay Rongpi reporting from Dilay, Karbi Anglong Live. Concerned with the deplorable condition and lack of educational atmosphere in the village, the Bogoram Tokbi villagers has demanded roof for its school following extreme physical damage suffered by the school due to lack of much needed support. The Bogoram Tokbi LP School, which is located under Dolomara Police Station inside Dwarbagori constituency of Rongmongwe Educational Block, was established way back in 1994. The school building was sanctioned under the centrally sponsored scheme of District Primary Education Program. After completing 26 years of its establishment, the school has remained deprived of its new infrastructure as the school has no separate classrooms, no kitchen, and no boundary wall, among others.
Lapian la ni sitame isi lo sitame dam lo athe application pe ni sitame pilo lapian DDC chairman of sitame lapang so application mokha ni samir lo lapian lapang so school ka di ding pik had di pp hotel la pi jot school he ma ko si rak lab lo lapian ki tomon ki sitame tomon ki oi ton ating apla mokha an sitame ang song si jang hum lo lapian arlo sitame do thai vidyalo.
Locals say that even though they are very poor, but their children feel safer in their homes than in school during rain and storm due to the extreme damages of the school roof. Local residents inform that there are 36 students and 1 teacher in the school. Their miseries are aggravated by the lack of extra rooms, kitchens and toilets. And most importantly, due to the damage of the school roofs, students and teachers would always have to go to the SMC President's Home where classes are taken during rainy days. Following this, villagers and SMC have appealed upon the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council for immediate intervention and action to end the long suffering and pains that the children has to go through due to damage of the school building. Further, locals demanded new school building for the long-term interest and appealed upon elected representative for visit as soon as the lockdown is over. RG Sarongpa reporting from Dolomara, Karbi Anglong Live. The Youth for Nature NGO from Dongkamukam continued with their effort of providing assistance to the needy people during this crisis period. On Tuesday, the NGO has distributed rations to the families of Kuthepi area. After their village being declared as containment zones, the people of Kuthepi area are facing several problems including shortage of daily essentials. It has been more than a week since the area has been sealed off and movement of people have been prohibited. In addition to this, people of nearby areas are also not able to reach out to them for help. Seeing their pain and difficulties, this NGO from Dongkamukam stepped ahead and extended a little help to 50 families living within the boundary of the containment zone. Some kind-hearted people from Dongkamukam, including Atur Bamboo Industry, Dr. Harsing Terang, and Krishna Timung also contributed towards the relief distribution. Kabon Militi Sopi reporting from Dongkamukam for Karbi Anglong Live. That's all we have with us for now. Thanks for watching Karbi Anglong Live.